Alright guys, I think I've sorted out my audio issue, so we'll see if that's true or not. I'm gonna play Bozos Night Out because I was just messing around with it because I figured it would be a nice short video and wouldn't be too big of a thing if the audio didn't work. Thought it was a really simple game. Let's see, can I press this? See if you can get Bozos safely home with as many pints inside him as he can drink. He may walk either left or right, or I couldn't finish and my cat meowed at me, so I'll have to try again. Oh damn, Peppa, I just fed you, so leave me alone. He may walk either left or right, or deer through the park safely home. We can try again the next night with 5 more pints. If you fail, you'll lose 1 to 5 pints. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna start playing, and I'm gonna have to explain as I go. So the game starts out pretty simple. I thought it was simple. We got an old lady, big buff bald man, and a police officer. You want to avoid contact with all of them. You notice only three enemies can be on the screen at a time, and you can notice that the holes in the ground keep opening and closing. Seems pretty simple. In fact, because the enemies don't go up and down, it's pretty easy to avoid them. So you just keep walking and walking and walking until eventually you find your way to your home. And then, whoa. And yes, they will actually change course. So that police officer, if I duck down here, he actually turns around and starts coming back towards me. It's like, okay, interesting. And then when you get home, you get 5 pints, which is the measure of your health, sort of. And then old ladies are suddenly replaced by large-chested women. Let's see, I'm going to go through the park so you can see what's going on with the park. So it's really not too different. There's just weird monsters that appear out of nowhere. And then you can only go in and out of the door when it's open, so that's pretty obnoxious. I don't see any reason to go through the park. It seems like a pretty dangerous place. If you touch those mushrooms, you die. Yeah, don't know why you would go through the park. And then now they've come out, I don't know if I should go right or left, so that's another problem. If I choose the wrong direction, I end up back where I started. So I see no point in using the park. In fact, I probably am walking back towards the bar rather than home right now. Yep, I went back to the bar. If I had maybe turned left after I came out of the park, that might have been what needed to happen. Now, there's a bit of a strategy too. If I keep this police officer following me, then he doesn't respawn on the other side. So, like, only 3 enemy sprites can be on the screen at a time, and if they disappear, a new one immediately appears. Anyway, I'm gonna give the park one more shot, but if I go left, yeah, these monsters look fast though, so like, am I just gonna get killed here? Like, alright, and then this is actually a really good place that, ooh, that's good. Never mind. Oh, dang it. I don't know why I'm flying up into the sky, that's really weird. 2 pints, okay. If you haven't been able to tell yet, you're trying to fill up that whole meter, and I just realized that those are pint glasses. My health bar is pint glasses. Okay, I'm going to avoid the part because it's kind of stupid. Now, pay attention to, I'm pressing straight to the right, okay? This is the era before analog joysticks. Notice what's happening with my guy. He is not able to walk in a straight line. And it's a little subtle. At least right now it's a little subtle. If I'm just walking in a straight line for a long time, you'll notice him start lifting, in this case, up. So what I did not know as a kid, and I did not know until I started messing around with this game yesterday, is the further you get in the game, the worse the controls get. So now you see he's lifting downwards instead of up. The enemies also start getting more aggressive in terms of they'll start going vertically. So you start out the game going, oh, this game's easy, I can beat this in no time. But yeah, and now I'm lifting up again. So earlier I was lifting down. I don't know if that's the right term, but veering. The response time in the controls gets worse as well, which is going to be really, got Granny came at me. It's going to be really hard to kind of point that out because you don't know what my thumb is doing on the gamepad. But you're going to start hearing me complain about, like, what, I didn't press that, why did he do that? But it starts out subtle and it just gets steadily worse. See, if the old lady was the same speed as the others, I could just have them follow me the whole time and it'd be really easy. But the old lady tends to fall behind and then she'll despawn and a new one will spawn in front of me. But it's probably worth it. See, I've got... And actually the bald guy's a little bit slower than the police officer too. But see, I'm only dodging one enemy sprite if I'm allowing these guys to follow me. So that might be a good stretch. Oof! Okay, that was a case where I stopped walking and it took time before he got moving again. Yeah, and then trying to walk in between these holes. Yeah, I don't know how visible it is, but my guy's not able to walk in a straight line anymore. He is not responding to my controls very well. Just getting worse and worse. Okay. I want that guy following me. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah. Like playing a game with drunk goggles on. And I had never known this as a kid. And we just read the instructions. Gosh. And nothing in the instructions made it clear that things are getting worse as the game progressed. So yeah, I actually, when I was starting to play this game yesterday, I was like, oh, something's wrong with my emulator controls. So there's a pink elephant. They replaced the old women. Oh, I cannot walk in a straight line. Oh, jeez. I think the holes opening and closing gets more erratic too, supposedly. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm almost home. Come on. There we go. So yeah, I'm trying to get filled up with how many pints? This 15 in a row, so I need 60 pints before I'm filled up. And I got 5 for surviving a night. More pink elephants. Police officers going slow today. I'm gonna milk this for as long as I can though, because gosh. Usually it's the pink elephant that's the slowest, but yeah, see, now it's falling behind. Like, oh, I'm trying to walk between the holes, but it's not going very well. Yeah, definitely it's like, what a simple, whoa, what's going on now? Now I'm pink. Now I'm yellow. Oh! Holy moly, I went the wrong direction completely. I pressed up and I ran right down into that woman. Oh. So I don't know what the colors mean at all. There we go. Trying to get that elephant to follow at least. Not going very fast though. Come on, come on. It's a little bit easier if I can hug the sides. Oh. Police officers green. Oh. Okay, the flashes and the graphics I think are actually just emulator problems, but the colors are not. Oh no, I'm pink again. Yeah. I pressed left, just so you know. 2 pints falling down the hole. I'm a different color again. Okay, I'm gonna try to get to the bottom of the screen. Oh no! This is not going well at all. This last row. Okay, I'm blue again. Maybe I'll be a little bit more. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can beat this game. I thought I had a winning strategy, but my guy just lurched right at the police officer. How am I gonna... Oh no! You're busted. 5 points for getting busted by the police. Okay, am I a little bit more sober? Like, can I walk straighter? Yeah, I sobered up a little bit, unfortunately. See, at like maximum inebriation, there's no way I could have done that. Okay, I got them coming at me. Do my weird little walk with my pointy fingers, like doo 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 doo. Oh, please, run! No, there's a guy standing in my doorway. I got in. Okay. I'm on that last row, so I'm probably gonna get pretty banged up here. Let's see. Yep. Oh, man. I don't know if I can beat this, you guys. This last row is really hard. Turn around. See, like this row, I just have like super delayed response time in a wobbly walk. But that last row, I start like lurching the completely wrong direction. Whoa. See, those elephants just stay down there. I'm okay. Just stay down there. Whoa. Whoa. Fighting every urge to just wobble right into a hole. I don't even want to know what the park is like right now. Okay. Like, oh no. Oh, I went in the park. I didn't mean to, but I did. Oh man, they're too fast. Oh, lurching. Okay. They're faster than me and they can go vertical. Okay. Well, honestly, I can't play for that much longer, but I'm gonna try one more thing, which is hugging. No! Oh! Oh my gosh. My guy's so drunk, it's not funny. Okay. So hugging the wall helps a little. Because I can press like up. Oh! Gosh. Oh! Gosh. I wish I could describe what I was actually doing on the gamepad when he does that. So at one point I pressed straight up into that wall and he just lurched straight down. Oh my gosh, this is funny. I'm looking backwards, like what? Ah! Down the hall. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, I think this is gonna have to be it. Like, I can't get any farther. It's kind of addictive though. Like, such a weird gameplay loop too, because like, I'm stuck. Like, if I do poorly, I sober up and I don't, like, the game gets easier. And then if I do well, then I get more drunk and the game gets harder. So you can play this game forever because you just get like easier and then harder and then easier and then harder. Oh my gosh. This is too funny. Well, this video is getting long enough, so I'm just gonna... Next time I die, I'm just gonna go ahead and pause it. Oh, whoa! What the heck? I am gone. Oh my gosh, this is a surprisingly fun game. Even though it is like impossible. Oh! Like I said, it's like playing a game with beer goggles on. Alright, that's gonna be it. See you guys next time.